Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically perform the prop distributions for any props on any surfaces in iClone 8 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. If you not yet get the iClone 8, you can just get it from freedom3d.net. This is my website. You can just get the link from there. It is going to lead you to the official sites to get the iClone 8, CC4 and all the plugins. If you love my 3D animations, tutorials and sharings, you can just go to the bottom, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. So now we are going to start. You can see this is iClone 8. To perform the automatic prop distributions, first what you need to do is just create a surface. It can be any surfaces from any prop. Let's say now I'm going to just add a prop, and as demo I'm going to just choose a 3D block. Right, then I scroll down. Let's say I drag a prop at here. So now I'm going to just make this bigger. Alright, let's say like this. If I'm going to distribute some props on this surface, what I need to do is just click create scatter, distribute props, and then the range options, just click pick object and just click on this surface. Now you can see these are the distribution. Now the amount, you can just choose how many that you want, and this is the spacing. Then next is the orientations. You can change the orientation or you can just make it a random orientations. Then this is the scale. Alright, then for the props that you want to distribute on this surface, you can just drag and drop to here. Let's say now I choose this box, then this, the board 004, the cone, something like this. So now you can just click the formation. It is going to arrange in this way, or you can just choose random. Once you're done already, let's say if you want to have a random orientation like this, you just need to click deploy the props. Now you can see all of the selected props, it is going to just deploy it here. Now you can see all of these props already at here. Alright, now I'm going to do another demo for you. So now I'm going to distribute some more props at here. Again, click create scatter, generate the props, and pick the object and surface here, the formations. The formations, the spacings, distance, you can adjust like this. Then you can just distribute some props. Then next you can just click deploy. Before that you can adjust the distance, the offsets. Then you can just click deploy props. Now you can see all of these props already deployed here. Now of course you can just use one types of the props. For this case I choose many props. It is going to assign randomly. Now you can see all of these props already distributed here. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to automatically deploy the prop distributions on any surface by using any props in your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!